What is high definition abdominoplasty? High definition tummy tuck क्या है? बहुत से लोग जानते हैं abdominoplasty और tummy tuck सर्जरी के बारे में. बेसिक एम इस सर्जरी का होता है एक्सेस फैट और लूज स्किन आपके लोअर एब्डोमेन से निकालना ताकि आपको एक नाइस शेप मिले. ये तो बहुत लोग करते हैं, बट हाई डेफिनेशन एब्डोमिनोप्लास्टी या हाई डेफिनेशन टमी टक, व्हाट इज दैट? Hi, I'm Dr. Rajat Gupta. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon, trainer for high-definition body contouring, trainer for microwave, laser, and body guide in India. And today I'll be talking about the latest advancement in body contouring surgeries, that is high-definition tummy tuck. Now, what this surgery entails is not only tightening of skin. सिर्फ skin tight नहीं कर रहे, सिर्फ skin fat नहीं निकाल रहे, but giving you enhanced shapes. Now, when we talk about enhanced shapes in a female, we are talking about a nice hourglass shape. So we make sure that the fat is removed in such a manner that the female gets a nice hourglass shape. At the same time, the scar is kept very, very low, called as a bikini scar. Nobody can see the scar, even if they are wearing a low-waist denim or a low-waist sari, right? At the same time, what we always do is tightening the abdominal muscle. Now, any woman who has been pregnant, who gained a lot of weight, and they lost that weight, they took out the baby, they lost that weight, the fat comes down, the skin starts shrink back, but what happens to the muscles? So there are central abdominal muscles called as rectus abdominis, and they go far apart. We repair those muscles, called as a repair of diastasis of recti, which gives them a tightened core. At the same time, when we tighten the muscles, they get a nice waist shape. The fourth important point is reshaping the navel or the belly button. Now, the belly button also gains excess skin and fat around it. We reshape that belly button to a much more youthful look, make it a vertical looking belly button, which looks nice and youthful. These are small things which are taken care of in a high definition tummy tuck. And the fifth and the most important point which we are known for is creating contours. Now, what these contours I'm talking about? The central abdominal depression, called as a champagne groove. The edges of muscles are defined, which looks very nice and athletic. In fact, if you see any supermodel and they are fit and they are flat, they're not just flat, they have these characters of muscle definitions, these central depressions, the edges of rectus muscle, that are defined so that they look normal, aesthetic, and athletic. Now, if we give you a flat tummy, but without those characters, it does not look natural. And hence we started doing these small steps to give you a natural looking and aesthetic and athletic result. A result which all women deserve, a result for which most of the patients come to us. If you have any more questions about high definition tummy tuck, please message us. Me and my team are always there to guide you scientifically. Take care.